Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealth Guide, a helpful tool. Google Translate has been around for a while, and although many people do use it correctly, there is one major thing that you may not know. You can use it to earn a lot of money. Google Translate allows you to translate anything, and very accurately as well. With a 90% accuracy rate, you can use it to translate documents of all kinds. When it comes to earning, it can be used to translate documents, subtitles, transcriptions, and so much more. Many people all around the world require a translator, and with Google Translate there to help, you can use it to earn a lot of money. So today, we're going to be talking about how to earn $100 per day from Google Translate. Make sure you stick around till the end to know this amazing technique that will help you to earn solid cash. Number 6, make a PayPal. In order to receive money from your employer or client, you would need a digital bank account, even if you already have a physical one, since this is an online method of earning. And one of the best and most reliable ways to do so is by using PayPal. You should go ahead and create a PayPal account. With this, you can easily send and receive payments. You could also instantly send money from one user to another. Add a bank account and bank card details to your PayPal. If you would like to withdraw your money, you can easily do that as well. You can withdraw into your physical bank account and then go to an ATM to get the cash. All that said, how do you sign up? First, you need to visit the PayPal website. Then go to the top of the page and look for the button that says Sign Up. Click on that. Now it will ask you if you would like to make a personal account or business account. Select Personal Account. It will ask you for some details that you will need to enter in order to create your account. You'll need to provide a valid email address. Enter this into the designated box. Then choose a password. Make sure that your chosen password is unique, secure, and only you know it, because as the password guards your money, you won't want anyone else to get a hold of it. Now, hit enter and you're all set. It's also recommended to download the PayPal app on your mobile device to earn on the go. It's simple. Number 5, go to Fiverr. A great website used by both freelancers who offer services and people looking to find services is Fiverr. It's great for both parties since there are a ton of different categories included. People go find logo designers, app developers, website auditors, and many more. If you're a freelancer, you can set up virtually any kind of gig imaginable. And you don't need to post large, elaborate gigs, so don't get scared. Many people have simple gigs, such as sending birthday greeting videos and writing simple jokes. In order to earn from Google Translate, you will want to sign up to as many freelancing websites as possible. Fiverr is one of the top freelancing websites out there, so you will find big opportunities using this website. So, to sign up, go to the Fiverr website. Then go to the top of the page and select Become a Seller. A new page will appear. Click on the green Become a Seller prompt again, and it will ask you for your email address. Additionally, you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. Once you enter those details, you are ready to go. You'll need to set up a gig, which is quite simple. Set up a gig that offers translation services. As stated earlier, Google Translate can be used in multiple ways to earn. And so, you can set up gigs for subtitling, transcription, and more. Also, you will want to set your price. This is entirely up to you, but think of a price that will earn you a decent profit. Fiverr will take a small cut from each sale you make, so keep that in mind as well. Number 4, go to Ladium. A great website for both freelancers and clients, Ladium lays out job postings for freelancers. On the Ladium website, clients will post jobs, and those jobs could be either bid projects or instant hire projects. It's very easy to use and to understand. So, let's take a closer look at the bid projects. These projects are meant to be bid on, meaning freelancers will have to offer their best price and good proposals in order to get hired. Instant hire jobs will allow clients to instantly hire someone that's able to take the job and confidently do the work. Freelancers will start on these projects right away, and then clients will review the assigned work. Clients can also choose whether they want to hire one or multiple freelancers. Once they hire, clients will pay only once they are satisfied with the work, so your work would have to be of efficient quality. Now, it's time to sign up for Ladium. First, go to the Ladium website. Then, you will go to the top of the main page. Now click on the blue Sign Up for Free button. That's right, it's free to sign up. Once you click on that, you'll be led to a page that asks you for a few things. You will need to enter a valid email address, your full name, a username, and a password. After those details are correctly filled in, click Continue, and you're all set to start looking for work through Ladium. It's that simple. Now, look for job postings and start getting to work. It's best to look for instant hire jobs, so you can work right away and get paid quicker. Number 3, go to Upwork. Another fantastic freelancer job portal is Upwork. On this website, you, a freelancer, will look for gigs, while clients put up job postings that cover a myriad of categories, from graphic design to video editing, to information technology. there's something for all freelancers on Upwork. Like the other freelancing sites, you won't need any hefty skills to work on Upwork. You just need a basic understanding of what you're doing and how the website works. Upwork works with a system of points. Each job posting requires you to turn in a few points or connects in exchange for a proposal. Other people may be bidding for the same job, so make sure to have a great proposal. You will need to send in your polished resume and a cover letter regarding that particular job in order to get hired. To sign up for Upwork, first, go to their website. Then, at the top of the page, select the green sign up button. It will then ask you for your work email. You could also sign up with a Google account. Once you enter that, you'll be set to go. When looking for the right gig, select from the categories available. Also remember, each proposal you send in will take away your points. To earn more points, you'll need to land a job. That's why it's important to have a good proposal, so that your clients hire you quicker. The client may require you to have certain skills or answer a specific question, so make sure you read the job posting very carefully. Number 2, translate with Google Translate. Google Translate has a 90% accuracy rate, so it's no wonder why so many people use it. Among many uses, you can also use it to earn, so that makes it even better. To start earning from these freelancing jobs, translate the given work via Google Translate. For example, you've been assigned a Spanish document to translate into English. You don't need to understand Spanish in order to do this. Just take the document, copy it, and then paste it into Google Translate. Now you will have a translation that is from Spanish to English. The English portion must be polished, so it's grammatically correct. Then submit that work. Suddenly, this becomes a very easy job. Now you can translate anything. Russian to German, French to Korean, the possibilities are virtually endless. You should definitely try this method out if you want to be able to earn hundreds of dollars a day from it. Number 1, find gigs looking for translations. After successfully signing up for a few freelancing websites, you need to find ways to land gigs through each of these websites. Since you are looking to do work by using Google Translate, you need to search for jobs requiring translation. You do not even need to be bilingual to do this. Here are a few ways to find such jobs. On Ladium, you will want to be searching gigs posted by clients. Look for jobs that are hiring translators. It's best to go for the instant hire job so that you can start right away as opposed to the bid post. With a bid post, you will need an excellent proposal to hand over, since many other freelancers will be applying for the job, and so it would be more difficult. Find as many translation jobs and take them. For Upwork, it's a similar process to Ladium. You will need to find job postings looking for translators. Once you find a few, it's best that you send in proposals for all of them, because you will not know how many would reject or accept your proposal. Answer any questions they may ask you in the job posting. Also, make sure your proposal is professional to make sure you stand out and seem like the best fit, since you will be one of many that may bid for this job. Send in as many proposals as you can in order to better your chances at landing the job. Fiverr works a bit differently than the other websites. For Fiverr, set up a gig page. It should state that you offer translation services. Start out with affordable prices so people will be drawn to ordering from you. Then, once you gain momentum, raise your prices. On Fiverr, you can offer either one price for all or a 3-tiered payment system. With the 3-tiered payment system, you will offer 3 different prices depending on the specifications of the project. Say you want to charge extra for more pages. On Fiverr, you can do that. Find the prices that create a profit best for you and set them. Then, wait for clients to come to you. This may take time, but once you get one job, you'll get a lot of other jobs. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!